A resident of Jibia in Katsina State has credited President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration for improving security in his area, so much that he felt confident enough to marry a second wife. In a recent interview granted in Hausa, the man spoke glowingly about what he sees as progress under the current administration. According to him, the reduction of bandit attack in his community encouraged him to expand his family. "I'm happy with Tinubu's leadership. It was under him I married a second wife. My community is now safe from bandit attacks," they said. Jibia, a border town long troubled by banditry and insecurity, has seen a heavy military presence in recent months. Local sources said the clampdown on criminal elements in the area has led to a significant drop in attacks, though the border security situation across northern Nigeria remains mixed. While some believe the man's comment is insensitive considering the economic hardship the country is experiencing, some say otherwise. You can as well share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.